Hello everyone, I am Judhisti and welcome to Judhisti Rahul. Today we will see the conversation between a father and a son, how a father can make a conversation with his son and how a son can make a conversation with his father. If you watch this video completely, then I'm sure that you will never fail to make a conversation with your father. So make sure that you are going to watch this video completely. So let's get going. Good morning, Dad. Very good morning, beta. How do you feel right now? I'm not feeling well, Dad. I have been suffering from headache from last night. Okay, do you know the reason of your headache? Yes, Papa. Yesterday I was playing with my friends in the rain. I think it is the reason of my headache. Yes, absolutely. That is why I keep on saying you to not go outside during the rain and to not get wet during the rain. Sorry, Papa, it will never repeat again. Don't worry, beta. Go and get ready. We need to consult a doctor. Sure, Papa, give me just 20 minutes. I'm getting ready. Papa, can you please tell me the details of those medicines when I can consume? Sure, beta. Listen to me carefully. These tablets should be consumed twice in a day, in the morning and in the evening after you got something. And this tonic is before the breakfast in the morning and it should be consumed once in a day. Thank you, Papa. Actually, you are taking care to me a lot. Don't worry, beta. I'm your father. Love you, Papa.